Kamsahleka sevezela umhlathi shaya ngathi yahleka kanti akahleki uyafeba. Hey yo boom, it's your boy King Ginger Cream de la Cream. Bathi umtimanti umabuya ubambo lunye uhlase ubhodla amanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana na Couple Switching Phones mntanami. We're in the streets of Johannesburg, South Africa, and we are looking for lovers abantu abanomjolo phakathi, and King Ginger Cream de la Cream ufuna ukwenza sure uthelitswa iphakathi. Hey yo Mzansi, I like it when you say it with me. It's going crazy, it's going bananas, it's a Bibili King mtanami. Another day, another dollar, another banger. As you all know, I'm not alone. My son is available. You gonna see him. Shendele bobo, si popo, si. Please baba, please. Yehlisa umoya baba, yehlisa umoya. Yehlisa imana baba. Take me straight home. But before you take me straight home, you have to take me straight to the couples. But before you do that, like say before our prayers are with you in Venezuela. The earthquake that happened few days back, sithi sinani and siyanzwela ubuhlungu sinani noma sineyinkinga nathi la eSouth Africa, kodwa sithi kwimndeni elahlekelwe yase Venezuela izindle eziwile sithi tutu si South Africa sorini, let's rebuild our country again and nibe namandla futhi. We are saying nje sorry to Venezuela. Take me to kwabafebayo.
Hey yo boom, it's your boy King Ginger Cream de la Cream. Intwana yase Kings bathi umtimandi umabuya ubambo lunye uhlase ubhodla amanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana na Couple Switching Phones mntanami. We are in the streets of Johannesburg and we are looking for lovers. Abantu abanomjolo phakathi and King Ginger ne CMTV bafuna ukuthelitswa iphakathi.
Kimangandile?
Andile ngomunye umfana nje mistake.
Like mini kade saqina ziyabuya la. Sanibona mfethu, my brother. Khamba kanjani? Sisters. Navile. Shap. Mina mfethu nguJinja mfethu igama. Wena bani? Uratilo sister?
Atenasia.
What is the meaning of Atenasia?
Creation of love.
What about Atenasia? It's my first time meeting someone. Her name is Atenasia. Ubani isibongo sase Atenasia?
Bakakhoza.
Go Khoza. Siyabonga Khoza. My brother, wena usibongo ba?
Utshele.
Ubabutshele, hayi power njengo happy. Tshele. Nabanye ke utshele ke. Sibaziye. Bakhona Precious tshele, bakhona Promise tshele, bakhona Beauty tshele. Mase kuba nawe ke wakatshele. Yeah, mfethu. My brother, ngicela nje ukunibuza a few questions mase my brother. So I want to know from you, are you dating with Sis Atenasia?
Yeah, Mama's wife.
Mama's?
Yeah, Mama's.
Oh, nice. Sis Atenasia, what is it that you love about
Kindness. Respect.
Hayibo.
Ungiphethe kahle.
Cha ngahlala kanjani ukuthi engayiphathi kahle intombi yakokhoza. When my brother, what is it that you love about your partner?
You know, dog, she's like the sun. She's always shining. You know what I'm saying? She's always out there, boy.
Punchline. She's like a sun. Always shine.
She's talkative.
Nice.
Like I'm not when it comes to talking.
My brother.
In that space, I listen, she talks, I understand.
And they are communicating.
Yeah, it's a complimenter, you understand, yeah.
Wow. So my brother, I want to know from you, do you have any plans for her?
Of course, future plans, of course, though. I want to go far with this girl.
Yeah.
For me, a fair guy. I've always wished to con at some point. I'm just relaxing, yeah.
Showcase.
In the eight.
Power to that. Yeah. So Swam, on your side, do you have any plans for the relationship and nibona niguphi from here?
Ngimbona baba sekhaya.
Wait. Mrs. Jelly. Yes, mbone baba sekhaya.
Yeah, bro.
So I want to know from you, in a scale of 100 ungathi umthemba kangakanani baba sekhaya?
1,000.
Danko. Yeah, break scale.
I'll break scale.
When uthemba kangakanani in a scale of 100?
Of course, 1,000.
Ukhona nomunye umuntu othandana naye ngaphandle ka
No, I'm loyal.
ya loyal.
Yeah.
Ma ungafind out ukuthi my brother uyadate ungenza njani?
Uyangichisela.
Yes.
I must leave. Why should
So
I stay?
ma ungafind out ungaliva.
Yeah.
Okay. Ukhona into ofuna ukuyiqolisela kuyena mhlambe that you did before and he didn't know about it?
No, Ayiko.
Ayiko.
I'm always loyal, you know.
Yeah. I always know who she is, Benny. I'm always.
My brother, in a scale of 100 wena on your side khamba kanjani umthemba kangakanani?
100. The program yami strict.
Ne?
Yazi naye.
Wena uthemba kangakanani?
1,000. Mama
Wena uthemba 100 yena uyithemba 1000. Ukhona umuntu othandana naye ngaphandle my sister?
akekho.
Loyal ne?
Loyal.
If you find out that she's cheating ungenza njani?
Oh. Naliya ngifuna ukuyicabanga ke.
But I'm not cheating.
Afuna
You are not there?
ngicabanga uchat.
And you will never ne?
Yes.
Hey,
You'll never.
ayithamba bangayitika abafana ungachitha. Ulahli yabona nje yabo ukutshela sisiwami uma ungachitha la uthi uyaphuma uyayitshontsha ngaphandle. Bangakubhabaza. Yabaza yamazi umuntu othi hey ngaze ahambe angaze abuyele umqondo. Yeah, so ungachitha. Danger outside. Yeah baba wami akunankinga uyamncanya ne? Umuntu yakho umtshela ukuthi uyamthanda. Umuntu wakho lo. Awunja njayami. Ay. Oyila jacket efihla my sis. Hey, la jacket angi. Eyakho le jacket.
Yeah, mfethu.
Oh yakho Joel my sis. Oh yamboza man. No, mfethu sisindedele sami. But before somebody there's a thing that we do. It's called loyalty test. Loyalty test is where you switching phones for 60 seconds. When my sister unike my brother ifona yakho for 60 seconds ukuthi check on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram ukuthi mhlambe ufletha nawo bobani abanye amantombazana. Angithi you said you are loyal to her because uchola naye kuphela. Now my sister you are loyal to him because uyena kuphela.
But I think we are about to leave.
Nah, mina beba sinesikhathi mase ngithi besimile so singathi angithidele ngithi.
I wanna cook.
Beba singama phela ngithi order in nakhona.
Oh benimile lana yini benidoba yini nizophekani? Inhlanzi.
Stew.
Sure.
Yeah, asenze ifoni. Woza ngapha my brother. My sister uyikhipha na bhuta mfona kukhona ezobona my sister ukuthi aza ngizodlala la. Neyakho.
Hayi bubheka.
Awukokhoza. Yakwazi kwesikakhoza.
Kokhoze.
Yabo where I come from. I come from King Indlovu ne? Deep KZN, not far from the sea. But where I stay, my big town is Showe. At Showe, there is a community. It's called Kwakhoza. It's all the Khoza clan. Yes. Oh, they're big like that, bruh.
Yeah.
There's even a gate when you enter the Khoza clan.
Yeah, it's gated.
Yeah, so kwesikakhoza mntakama. Kwesikajele. Hayi ayikho indawo kaJele. Oh Jele bakhona lapho eMajele. Bakhona ngizoqala ngefoni ka
I think.
Okay. Thank you my sister. Ngilungivulela. Thank you for making things easier for a king. Tango. Look at people is there. Sister, take your time. Now WhatsApp. Uyawudlala Facebook? Uyawudlala Instagram?
Udlala social media, WhatsApp.
Yeah?
WhatsApp pad.
Wena nomuntu wakho?
Yeah.
Okay, imali. Mase ngithi type, uzotype la ku search. Makuvela igama lakho la ungitshela. Makuvela igama lezinye ivebe la ungitshela ngoba lawo mantombazane iwona azobe ninyobela umuntu wakho.
Okay, well, I should type I love you.
Uzokutshela. All right. Type lapho uthi I love you. All right guys, we're on WhatsApp right now and we just typed I love you. Njayam. Next.
Yeah, Vela mina chill.
Vela naphela ne?
Yeah.
Oh nice. Delete lapho utype uthi I miss you. Fucking heart red.
Okay.
I mean utswa yini manje?
Ngiyanya ngifuna ukubona nje nami ukuthi ubonane.
Naye, vela mina first.
Nice. Delete lapho and utype uthi sex.
Naye.
Ay sister, delete lapho. Awuthi mina indaba ya delete ani the phone. Delete lapho. Delete lapho utype uthi money. Sibone ukuthi iziphi ifeba ziphi imali.
Money.
nenziwa yini ubani waqhamuka nale rule ukuthi nisebenzise WhatsApp kuphela?
Hey, ukuthi ngiyazi social media nje inokumosha ingqondo zamantombazane.
Nice.
Understand?
Ungitshele mangaveli lutho sengikhathele ukuyibukela abantu kumele bakuzwe kuwe. Velani lapha?
Vela mina kuphela.
Type out come outside.
Come outside.
Yeah. It's either uphamela ngaphandle noma mhlawumbe uphumela ngaphandle.
Naye.
Kuvela.
Vela mina.
Ngifuna. Yakumadalti lapha, yakumadalti sibona ukuthi ifonela ubani, scroll ubone ukuthi iphi number ongayazi ifonela kakhulu.
I told your uncle.
Umnike ifoni yakhe mfethu.
But I think now we should leave.
Ne?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Phela isikhathi check ifoni yakho phela.
But we should leave.
No, phela check ifoni yakho nensohamba.
I think we should leave too. Awuyivula. After uyivula we leaving. Ivule siswami. Ivule. Ivule. Kahle hawu. Ya WhatsApp. Mase ngithatha uzotype la. Makuvela igama lakho la ungitshela. Makuvela igama lamanye amajita la ungitshela ngoba lawo majita yiwezo beququda umuntu wakhe ngizothi ngitsini. All right, guys, my name is King Ginger Cream de la Cream. We are on WhatsApp right now and we are about to tap the picture on this. Tap la put I love you.
No, I think I'll be Siphonium.
And then Conan.
Then we leave.
Kanti indaba khona into efihla siswa.
There is nothing wrong.
Ubani usipho?
Sipo, I'm my bestie.
Usipho ngumazi?
Yeah.
One, I love you Usipho.
Cause you male bestie.
Bese kanjani sekethi I love you baby?
Just bring my friend.
Ume.
Thini man baby?
Ngena lapha kumide kusipho. Ucheck ukuthi mhlawumbe baxoxa kanjani.
No, just bring back my phone.
No, just talk. Okay. Khona into ofuna ukisho.
No, I just on my phone.
No, siswami. Ikhona into ofuna ukisho.
Just bring back my phone. Don't
sister.
text me.
So niphuma ama dates and shoot.
You know, he's my bestie.
No bestie kanjani?
There's nothing wrong
here. This was Sunday.
So?
You told me you were at your mother's place at Sunday.
Yeah, then...
So uchola noSipho uchole no my brother.
No.
Ikondom nayisebenzisa noSipho.
Baby kanjani?
Awuthi ngicela utype uthi sex lapha. Sibone ukuthi uput Sipho uyavela yini.
Why should you do that?
Sister kanti wenze njani?
There's nothing wrong here. Just bring back my phone.
Ngicela masimo na kanti khambani manje.
Angikujoin masimba. Just bring back my phone.
Usipho.
Sister uqale nini ukugrow Sipho?
No, just leave me.
No, but now kusipho uyakudla la kuyavela. At least yena noSipho benisebenzisa ikondom.
I'm fit
Just
Oh, shuthe uzofa uma ungakutholi ukuthi ikondom iyasebenza noma ayisebenzi.
khambani ngosipho.
uSipho uyamudla nje kubhaliwe lapha. Oh, uyamazi uSipho?
Ngiyamazi best friend yakhe ndoda.
Akuyona best friend umuntu wakhe.
Who said so?
Niyadlana nakho.
Who?
Nawa.
Mfethu wazala. Uvukhuluma na.
No, awuthema uzoboshwa. Ngiyakutshela nje usane future. Intombazane la ithintwa.
Babe, you know I'm loyal.
Loyally.
Bona, yini lento engibona.
Asimfonele ke Prasipho.
You can phone
Yes, foneni. Let's.
I'm phoning.
Yeah.
No, just put your phone then. Hey,
Yes,
I want my phone.
Hey, sifonela uSipho la. Thula. Oh,
I want my phone. It's in by.
thula.
You didn't buy this phone.
Awungane, noma kancane, ngosipho wakho
But you
masimo.
didn't buy the phone. Yeah.
Ngenza so mfethu.
No, you
Wenza
know,
so,
you know,
Why umenza so?
Mfethu.
you know I'm loyal.
Wenza so
You know
mfethu.
I'm loyal.
After everything we've been through.
After everything.
Yeah.
Ngakhuluma noSipho. Ngikhuluma noSipho.
Ndoda.
Just, me puti.
Esifora manje.
Ngikhuluma noSipho.
You
Hello.
know me.
Eba.
Sure Sipho, unjani mfethu?
Ngenza so mfethu. Ngenza so.
Just drop the phone.
Oh, sure my brother. Simi no sizubani uanticipe unthathishe
Atenasia.
Simi nomunye my sister lana omhlophe so igama lakho Atenasia. Wena nayini yini bhuda yami?
I want my phone. Just leave my phone there.
Umngani wakho. Odlana naye. Yeah.
Sipho kanti khamba ngazo
Yeah.
ubani wakho ngeke bona ukuthi I love you
Yeah. Neyithombe nikhiphile wena bastard. And uyasitshela my sister ukuthi
come back.
uyasitshela my sister ukuthi wathi wena icondom ayikulingani so beningayisebenzisi. Bastard.
Eba, ngingazongitshela amasimo kade khamba nsini.
Babe, just leave.
Ah, wena
I told you.
for tech.
Wena uwani wena? Awuyazi yini indoda yakhe? Le nihlale nithi wena niyenza kanjani le bra mfethu islima wena uthi yami.
Amasimo.
Babe, I said
Yeah.
outside.
Khuluma phela nobhebe wakho ngempela. Khuluma naye.
Amasimo.
Sipho.
Lo Sipho come
Sipho. Sipho. Cela umtshela ukuthi singama best friend.
With benefit bastard.
No.
Awuthi yami ungalu. Iphi phone engane?
Just bring by my phone.
Nika ifone. Yeah.
You know the truth.
Sazoqhubeka utshole naye. Hayi ungabisamkhalela lokujwayela kabi lo.
But you know the truth.
What is the truth? What is the truth?
Ay, akangiphi calls. Ay.
Nakho ke. Nalo ke iqiniso mfethu bekumele
You know I love you.
musu kuya kuyena akakufuni.
Angigwayi quality.
Babe.
Yeah, uthi umgwayi khalisi.
Babe, come.
Uthi
Babe, we can sort this out.
Angigwayi quality ukhuluma so kimi angigwayi quality.
But awungibheji.
uthi
Babe, just take your breakfast. Come, babe.
ngishilo ngathi le jacket ibingimboza.
Babe. It's out.
Okay, awuthemba uyafuna ukukhuluma naye. Uyafuna ukukhuluma naye. Ungambambi ngezandla. Nayi mic. Yeah, awubayeke.
Mfethu uyazi ukuthi why musina ngagayi imali. Ngishayele endlini, hayi kanti
Imic le ngikunike yona.
kanti khamba. Yeah.
Are you sure for me? I'm just pretending. Just
Pretending, yeah. Pretending.
Si ngithe ungayibambi ingane wena.
Wait.
Hawu.
Don't try. You never blame me.
Awuyena umuntu olwayo wena.
Sokuxabanisa labantu.
Ubani abantu?
Sipho mfethu.
Angeke sokuxabanisa
Usipho.
labantu.
Ubani labantu?
My best friend, babe.
So what?
Ukudle kangaki?
If he's your best
Condom bikhona.
Just shut up.
Yeah. If you person,
Just shut up.
umchita ngikhuluma nawe. If you best friend yakhe, so what? Yeah. He's allowed to take out. He's allowed to ukuthi akudle.
No.
Ngizongiyela kanti khamba.
Friends with benefits uyayazi nawe bra wami and you
So, who said so?
usenza
Mina bheka mina ungabheki yena.
awuthembi ngithe ungamthinti
Bheka mina.
ngoba nami ngizobeka isandla kuwe.
Babe, I'm sorry.
For what?
Masimo.
Tell the truth. You are sorry for it.
Ngiyekela.
Wena ungambambi hamba wena uthi hamba.
Ngiyekela.
Hamba mshiye lo.
Tshela amasimo.
Yeah.
Labantu azenza.
Mina
Wena.
Tshela amasimo.
Sisa mina ngikwazi.
Babe.
Tshela amasimo.
Babe.
Yeah.
Labantu azenza.
Elashintsha inika. Yeah, sister musungifaka endabeni zakho. Ngenzeni mina?
Hlala ufuna ukushaya.
Hayibo.
Ufuna ukushaya.
Hayibo. Yabo mina sisamza ukubukela ngikufake la emanzini.
Samile mfethu.
Wawuyisebenzisa nje icondom noSipho? Yeah, I thought so.
Can you sort this out?
Mina, why should I sort this out? No. You're the one who
Who said I was shooting?
No, but you are. Why uSipho athi wena naye ningabangani abamnandi? Yeah.
No, he's my best friend.
So best friend yenzani?
Now, best friend wami ube khona angakafiki.
Oh,
From primary.
okade nayiqala lento. Waqala primary lo mfana. Awuyajwayela uSipho. Awena Sipho umgodo sana. Yeah, mtshele futhi lo Sipho ukuthi mina ngeke enze lutho mina.
I don't have time to entertain you. Babe!
Anticipation, satisfaction, sanitasia, sanitization, sanitizer. How? Take me straight home.
Hey yo boom, it's your boy King Ginger Cream Dala Cream intwana yase Kings bathi umtimandi umabuya ubambolunya uhlase ubhodla amanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana na couple switching phones mntanami. We are in the streets of Johannesburg and we are looking for lovers, abantu abanomjolo phakathi and King Ginger ne CMTV bafuna ukuthela itswayi phakathi.
Andile ngomunye umfana nje mistake